These tugboats are going over to this oil tanker right here. And they're going to take it out of the port where it unloaded a load of oil, some kind of oil, either diesel or gasoline or something. And see, there's another tugboat right here. He's going over to it. He'll probably get on the other side of it. What they do is they push him out. And there's a tugboat over there. And this tugboat here and several of the others are also fireboats. See the red pipes coming up in the front. This is the port at Manzaillo, Mexico. Yep, he's getting on to them.